Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Mustafa, a real estate agency from Istanbul, Turkey with more than 7 years experience. Today I am at one of the projects that is located in Eyupsultan municipality. If you have been in Istanbul before, so you know Eyupsultan Mosque, So Eyupsultan is a central location in the European part of Istanbul. Today I have one of the projects that is an urban regeneration zone. What does it mean? You see these buildings, okay? Today's project is consisting of 5 blocks. So technically, before a year ago, those buildings were all about randomly buildings, let us say, or just like small size, narrow streets like this one. So what people are doing, some developers with the agreement with the neighborhood, the district, the people in that area, they make a kind of agreement and they make new compound complexes with the services such as swimming pool, gym, fitness center, security 24-hour, more stronger buildings. So this project, guys, is providing such an advantage, which is anti-earthquake, anti-disasters. So all of those old buildings has been replaced by those new ones. So now I am inside the construction of this amazing project that is in the center of Istanbul, Eyüpsultan Ali Beykoy district, guys. And now the construction is going pretty well. We have here 388 apartments inside this community with the services, swimming pool, security 24 hours, gym, fitness center, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom till 5-bedroom properties that gonna get really high capital appreciation in the future, as it is in the center of Istanbul, which is an urban regeneration zone which has no taxes in terms of the title deed and VAT tax and etc. So only 10 to 15 minutes from this location you will be also in Taksim Square, Mecidiyeköy, Şişli area, guys. Guys, if you have been looking for an opportunity which is suitable for investment, to get high capital appreciation, to maximize your income, this project is one of the properties that could be that you're searching for. And I am sure if you come to Istanbul and you study the area, each municipality by each municipality, and you make comparing between this one and that one, I think you are gonna prefer Eyüpsultan district. So here is the module of the project that is built on 12,500 square meter. As you can see, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5 blocks. So in these 4 blocks, we have 2-bedroom apartment, and in that one, we have 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, and 5-bedroom properties. The landscape is amazing. The social facilities located under this space, this area, guys. We have like a basketball right here. So what will be the extra fees if you decide to buy from this property? You are going to pay nothing out of the declared amount. A 2-bedroom price is around 300,000 US dollar, and there is like a 3-bedroom apartment is around 470 to 60,000 US dollar. You're gonna pay 50% down payment. This is in terms of the payment plan, and installment will be up to 24 months. The title deed is ready. So this is one of the ideal project in the center of Istanbul with below the marketing price, guys. If you come here and you study the real estate marketing, you are going to recognize that this is one of the project that you may buy. Suitable for the citizenship right now, and even they have like a kind of installment for the citizenship. If you contact me, I'm gonna provide you with more information about it, guys. So if you're interested to get something in the center of Istanbul and maximize your income, or just like something for investment, for the high capital appreciation, and to be in the center of Istanbul and to not lose your money, this is one of the projects that you may like it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested, get in touch and I'm gonna give you further information about it. Thank you so much again for watching. So guys, this is the construction is behind me, and I would like to take you to the metro station. Just take a look how crowded it's this area, guys. Here is a bus station. And that is the metro station. all you need to do is just you need to cross this street, so you will be at the metro station. That is it.